Hey Excel champions, welcome to dptutorials. Have you ever received a messy Excel file where half of the cells look like they are carrying hidden secrets inside the brackets? Well, today I will show you how to delete everything inside brackets, including the brackets themselves, in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. Here's my data. As you can see, we have got employee names, departments and remarks, but with brackets like this. Honestly, if you send this report to your boss, they will think that you're still stuck in the 90s version. If you try like the general method of replacing the text by using Ctrl+H, it will not work like this. If you are using modern Excel, you can try with the formula using substitute or text before. Go to cell E3 and type as equals to text before, open the parenthesis, type B3, comma, in the inverted quotes, give the open parenthesis, close the parenthesis, and press enter. This will chop off everything starting from the bracket, parenthesis. Similarly, for square brackets, in column D, same logic. Okay, equals to text before, open the parenthesis, D3, comma, in the inverted quotes, give the box bracket, close the parenthesis, or you can also use the substitute function and press enter. Got it? Now drag these formulas to the bottom of the cells. And in the middle column, you can directly type as equals to the C cell. See now, you have got the super clean data, ready to share, no embarrassment included. So that's how you can delete bracketed content in Excel like a pro. If this trick saved you from manual cleaning, hit that like button and subscribe and drop a comment. See you in the next video. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.